In this video, we are going to show you how to set up free VPN on Android with OpenVPN. So go to the Play Store, and as you can see, I am in the search option in the Play Store, and just tap in OpenVPN. It's going to be this option right here, and just tap install, and it's going to download and install the OpenVPN Connect app. And once that's done, you want to tap on Open. There we go. It's going to open the OpenVPN app. Tap Allow. There we go. Agree, and then just type in server address or cloud, right? If Or you can upload a file. There we go, for a .ovpn account file, so, or OVPN profile from another VPN, so you can have this uh, work on your mobile device, right? So again, you can get another device to do that. So it's gonna ask you here, don't have OVPN file. There's a FAQ here. Once it's done, you can also do what's my URL, right? So type server address or cloud ID. If you have that, tap next. It's a very straightforward process. Again, you can do this for free pretty much, right? So just follow the process and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.